Yeah, it was back in the day. East, free, I remember them days. Setting the paces, so wild out. Yeah, I remember them days. I remember them days. Yeah. I remember them days. I remember them days. It was back in the day. It was back in the day. But I remember them days. But I remember them days. It was back in the day. It was back in the day. But I remember them days. But I remember them days. Listen. I remember them days when I was nothing. I used to put my hands in my pocket and feel nothing. I couldn't see where my next money was coming from. I was pissed. I missed the point, another opportunity was missed. But here I am today, I'm trying to get my boys paid. I'm trying to get myself paid, I want keys. I know the G's know I'm a paper maker, player. Haters come around, I wave bye, see you later. I take them chances, put myself to the test. And the rest, the world can watch me do this. I can't see anybody stopping me from getting through this. I do this for fun, go home and laugh after. Full day of events, come straight at events. Under festival tents, I was born in the trenches. I remember climbing over fences and climbing up trees. And climbing, that's a minor to me, minor to me. I remember them days. I remember the days I used to be in the street and know hearts don't survive in the street. You wanted to know, so I'm telling you that life on the street can be your eye opener. I'm watching doors open up. Before none of this seemed possible, everything was impossible. Didn't stop, I was flexible with the hours, and now flexible with the powers. I'm strong-minded, some are empty-minded. Crews get divided. They started off as friends and then they collided. I started off with her, but now we're separated. You see, enough, we both appreciated it. Before, I remember when I couldn't leave this shit. I used to cheat and ting, make Esky beat and ting. Go home and have an argument, creating heat and ting. And then I'm off again, I'm trying to leave the past behind me. I wanna live in a place where nobody can find me. I remember them days.
When I was coming up, little kid on the rise, with the highness in the eyes. No surprise that our kids were searching for something more. Found different music that we be selling in every store. Back then the days were different, the blocks were dark and evil. More likely Jack the sequel, but just the UK version. Hunger was needed to survive in these streets. She had to stay above the water to be one of the elite. School taught me to hustle, and hustle, that was the code. The education and stuff had to be put on hold. You could find me in the smoker's corner flipping some coins, or find me in the cafeteria getting double sirloins. I was a little baller, should've gone all the way. Wasn't dedicated, loose cannon led me astray. Did my first move from a little mini coupe, no lay when I was coming up here back in the day.
I remember them days. It was back in the day. I remember them days. Yeah, I remember them days.
You're on top, baby.